Hey, Gary Becker here with 30minutemarketing.net. Before we get started with this video, I need you to do me a favor. Don't overcomplicate this process. Just watch the video, see how it's done, and then towards the end, I'll show you how you can get the training you need to implement this process so you can start making money with this side hustle, even if you have a full-time job. So before we get started, let's look at the actual money that I made and on the product that I made the money on. You can see here on the screen, this is Warrior Plus. This is a marketplace. Again, don't overcomplicate this. Don't worry about what that means at this point, but just know that this is a place that you can purchase products and you can actually join this site and you can become an affiliate and do affiliate marketing. And that's where you actually make recommendations for products and then you earn a commission, which is money for your recommendations. Think of Amazon, but in a very specific niche. And a niche just being a group of people that are looking for problems to their solutions. So you can see right here, Instant Puzzle Generator was the product, and I generated $200.63, and I did that with a 17-minute video on YouTube, and I'm going to show you that right now. So this is the YouTube channel here. It's called Publisher Report, and you can see it has 268 subscribers as of the time I'm shooting this video. But at the time I made that money, it didn't have that many. And this is truly a side hustle for me because this is something that I enjoy doing. It's also something that I enjoy talking about. It's also something that I have future expectations for myself to build my own publishing business. But at this time, this is a side hustle where I make recommendations and I talk about self-publishing, or as it says here on the screen, publisherreport.com, self-publishing simplified. But more to the point of what happened here, if you scroll down and you look at all the videos, there was a video that I did 4 months ago, and it's right here on the screen, and it's called Instant Puzzle Generator, or How to Make a Word Search Puzzle Book, and you can see the video right there. It's 17 minutes. If you were to click on that, you'll see the video right here, 17 minutes and 36 seconds. Now, you can see here what I'm doing. I'm here on the screen and I'm showing how the product works, and I'm showing people how I'm going to use the product and how I actually do use the product, and I'm recommending the product based on the fact that I use this product. Imagine that. Actually using the product, knowing the product works, and then recommending it to people and then having them purchase it based upon your recommendation in a simple 17-minute video. Again, I do the video 17 minutes, and then down here I just put a link and someone clicks that link based upon my recommendation and what's called a call to action in the video saying check out the link in the description. They click on that link, it takes them over to what is called a bonus page. Now don't get caught up in all the technical details. Like I said, I need you to do me a favor and don't overcomplicate the process right now, because at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you where you can get free training to do this process step by step. But just understand that this is how it works. They click on that link based upon my recommendation. You can see here that's the video embedded, and it also has some bonuses listed here that I provide. Again, don't get caught up in the details. And it's really not that complicated, and they're going to click the buy now button after they watch the video, come here, see this page, understand what the bonuses are. Of course, this makes sense to them because I've explained it in the video, and they're also interested in this topic. And again, that's what a niche is, a group of people that have a problem, or a group of people that are interested in a topic, looking for a solution to a problem that they may not even know they have, or they know they have and they want your recommendation. They're going to click on the buy button based upon my recommendation, and then that's going to take them to the sales page. And you can see here, this is a sales page for that product, and then they're going to click the buy button right here, and when they click this buy button, it's going to take them to the next step, which is to add to cart. They're going to click that button. And then here you're going to see a standard checkout page where they actually pay for the product. And again, once they pay for this product, I earn a commission for my recommendation. Now, what does that all look like in a very simple to understand and sort of a plain English, if you will, diagram that I can break it all down so it's very easy to understand how to actually do this side hustle, which is called affiliate marketing. Let me show you a diagram. Here on the screen is a very simplified diagram. You are an affiliate. That means you're making recommendations for the product and or products that you believe in. And in this case, we were doing it on YouTube. So you have to sign up first for an affiliate program. I already did that. I did that on Warrior Plus. Again, it could be Warrior Plus or Amazon. That's not important right now. Just understand that you're actually signing up and you're joining an affiliate program. Then you create what is your affiliate link. That's the link that you saw there, that buy now button that I created on my page that I linked to after the YouTube video. And then you create content. As you can see right here, I created a YouTube video. And then when the visitors of that YouTube video that I created clicked on that link, I made money, and you saw that money on the Warrior Plus dashboard. That's my affiliate dashboard. That actually shows the traffic or the people that clicked on the link and then the actual money I made. And again, that link is right here. You can see that there are 54 unique hops. That means 54 people clicked on my link. 12 people actually bought it. You can see 12 sales, and you can see right there that I made $263 from a 17-minute video, strictly as a side hustle in a niche. Again, that just being a group of people that are interested in a subject or a topic or have a problem and are looking for a solution, and you provide the content that gives them that solution. And that's how easy this side hustle is as an affiliate marketer. And if you think this is complicated, trust me, it's not. There's a card up here. Click that card, it'll take you over to a video. It'll explain a very simple 12-step process. There's also a link in the description of that video. You can click that, pop over to that video, watch that video, see how easy it is to get started as an affiliate marketer and create your own side hustle, even if you have a full-time job. And if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, 30-minute timer right here. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos just like this one. And there'll be some more videos that'll pop up here on the screen. Watch those when you get a chance, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.